Once upon a time, in a forest near a lake next to a majestic mountain, there lived a deer and a red bird. The deer, named Daisy, was a gentle creature with big, brown eyes and a soft coat of fur. The red bird, named Robin, was a vibrant and cheerful bird with bright red feathers that stood out against the green of the forest. Daisy and Robin had been friends for as long as they could remember. They would spend their days wandering through the forest, searching for food, and enjoying the beauty of nature. In the spring, they would feast on fresh green grass and tender shoots. In the summer, they would munch on juicy berries and sweet fruits. In the fall, they would gather nuts and seeds to store for the winter. And in the winter, they would dig through the snow to find hidden treasures. The deer and the red bird were inseparable, always looking out for each other and sharing their finds. Daisy would use her keen sense of smell to locate the best patches of food, while Robin would use her sharp eyes to spot any potential dangers. Together, they made a perfect team. One day, as they were exploring the forest, they came across a beautiful clearing near the lake. The sun was shining, the birds were singing, and the air was filled with the sweet scent of flowers. Daisy and Robin knew that they had found a special place, and they decided to make it their home. They built a cozy nest in the branches of a tall oak tree, overlooking the shimmering waters of the lake. From their perch, they could see the mountain in the distance, its snow-capped peak reaching up towards the sky. It was a peaceful and idyllic spot, and Daisy and Robin were happy to call it their own. As the days turned into weeks and the weeks turned into months, Daisy and Robin grew even closer. They would spend their evenings watching the sunset over the lake, sharing stories and dreams. They would wake up with the dawn, greeting each new day with a sense of wonder and excitement. But one day, as the seasons began to change once again, a dark shadow fell over the forest. A fierce storm swept through the land, destroying everything in its path. The winds howled, the rain poured down, and the thunder roared. Daisy and Robin huddled together in their nest, seeking shelter from the raging tempest. When the storm finally passed, Daisy and Robin emerged from their hiding place to survey the damage. The forest was in shambles, with trees uprooted and branches scattered everywhere. The lake was overflowing, its waters murky and swollen. And the mountain, once so majestic and proud, was now covered in a blanket of snow. Daisy and Robin knew that they would have to work together to survive in this harsh new world. They set out to find food and shelter, braving the elements and overcoming obstacles. They helped each other through the darkest days, never losing hope or losing sight of their friendship. And as the seasons changed once again, the deer and the red bird found that their bond had only grown stronger. They had weathered the storm together and had emerged on the other side with a newfound sense of resilience and determination. As they stood on the shore of the lake, gazing up at the mountain, Daisy and Robin knew that they were truly blessed to have each other. They were a deer and a red bird, living in harmony with the forest, the lake, and the mountain. And they knew that as long as they had each other, they could face whatever challenges came their way. And so, Daisy and Robin continued to live and thrive in the forest near the lake next to the mountain, finding food and joy in each other's company. And they lived happily ever after, in a world filled with wonder and beauty.